And now, your Storm Team 18 forecast. Weather from where you live.
All right, we hit a high of 41 this morning. It was very mild yesterday, but you can see here we're at 34 now in Lafayette. We're going to continue to fall with those temperatures all day long, and that's going to cause for very slick conditions. That's really the bottom line. Roadways, travel are going to be impacted the rest of the day. The rain snow line really about right here, just north of Lafayette toward Monticello, out toward Fowler Pine Village, Remington though, Kentland, Morocco, all near and below freezing. And that's where most of the heavy snow and most of the roadways that are getting snow covered right now. But look out toward Kokomo, still well above freezing. They will be seeing rain for the next couple of hours. 39 Kokomo, 37 Galveston, rain for Frankfort, Crawfordsville, and Newmarket. So I wanted to break down the temperatures just so you know this is the warmest that we'll see all day long. We're going to be falling all day with pretty much the best chance of snow you can get here for this afternoon. Rain and snow this morning in our southern portions by 7, and then changing over to all snow for all of us with gusty north winds. 30 miles per hour wind gusts will be possible. So let's get right to Storm Team 18 radar and satellite. Notice the very heavy rain. We're seeing some sleet right now here in West Lafayette. So really conditions will fall the rest of the day for roadways here in Lafayette. Up toward Delphi, seeing some of that rain snow mix as well. So we'll start closer here to toward Oak Grove, Pine Village, Fowler, seeing mostly snow. Heavy rain for Tippecanoe County up toward White County, Monticello, Royal Center, Logansport, seeing just that mix, getting ready to change over to all snow. Rochester, Winnemac, Francisville, seeing all snow. Monon as well. So things are going downhill as I've mentioned, but look at the expanse of this system. That moisture, that warm air really helped bring in a lot of that moisture yesterday, and we're seeing the impacts of that this morning with just widespread rain and snow from south to north, really just dividing right across our viewing area right now, and all of it will change over to snow. So let's time this out. There's that rain snow line. Futurecast doing a great job of placing where we could see that freezing rain, ice, sleet, and then eventually snow. But watch as we get towards 7, 8 o'clock. I think during our newscast we will be seeing some snow falling outside by then. And then Frankfort, Crawfordsville, out toward Kokomo, still seeing rain. And then we're going to be seeing heavy snow pretty much region wide by 10 to lunchtime. And that's when we'll really start to see things go downhill, especially with that heavy snow likely up toward 5 o'clock too, seeing heavy snow. And then we'll see kind of a little bit of a lull, a break in the action here after about 8 o'clock this evening. So that's probably good news for the plows out there to get some time to help clear the roads. However, round 2 comes in earlier Thursday morning. This is 5 o'clock, still seeing portions of heavy snow region wide, and then more heavy snow will be likely 10:30 Thursday morning, and then we will finally get this system out of here after about 3, 4, 5 o'clock from west to east Thursday evening, and then it will turn cold. So I want to look at projected snowfall. We could be seeing snowfall rates to 1 inch to 1.5 inches per hour, and with that we could hear actually some thunder with that because of all the snowflakes mixing in the atmosphere causing that electricity. So it's falling very fast, and we're going to be seeing just very heavy snow accumulate very quick. This is lunchtime by Wednesday, possibly up to 6 inches Rensselaer, 1 inch in Lafayette, but then it quickly changes here, 6 inches by 10 o'clock this evening. And then it kind of breaks for a little bit. We won't see much snow between 10 to 2 in the morning Thursday, and then more heavy snow will work in for Thursday afternoon, with all of us getting up above a foot of snow. And we are going to be seeing very strong winds out of the north, so those east-west roadways will be one to watch for if you have to be outside. So I'm kind of sticking with my gut here with that forecast snowfall for 16 and 18 plus inches, really from Lafayette and northward, where the heaviest band will start to set up Elsewhere across the area, 12 to 18. So your 7-day forecast, again, falling temperatures today and tomorrow, all the way down to 5. That's Friday morning, up to 14. And we'll see those showers really in Thursday night. I'll keep a low chance of snow Friday morning, and then we'll see Saturday's low, very cold, possibly record-breaking cold Saturday morning down into the negatives.
And now your News 18 traffic report.
And here we are at traffic. You can see I-65 State Road 26, mostly rain here in Lafayette. You can see State Street Road, a lot of the drops on the lens, and then we are going to be seeing a lot of those northern roadways, especially 65, 421, 41, that yellow and orange indicating just slow to medium flowing traffic. So 65, even all the way down into White County near Remington, could be seeing a lot of that slow and go traffic because of the snow starting to stick to roadways. I'll zoom in here. You can see just the impacts the snow's already having on many roadways. And then off toward the south, still looking pretty good, just wet roadways, dealing with that right now.
It's kind of unfortunate, David, the timing of this too, right in time for people's morning commutes is just starting to get bad out there. Yeah, hopefully a lot of people are able to stay home today and tomorrow, since tomorrow we're going to be seeing that round 2 kind of punch with the system with more snow. But today, yes, unfortunately, right at rush hour, we're going to be seeing a lot of that rain change over to snow and slick conditions really likely here this morning. Absolutely. And I've got a question here for you. Yes. So with this rain that we're getting right now, obviously our temperatures are going to be dropping and it's going to become ice for us. And then we'll get that layer of snow on top of it too, correct? So it even makes conditions even more dangerous because you can't see that ice. Yeah, that's exactly right, Marley. So that's why it's so dangerous today, because we're seeing that rainfall. When we saw that rainfall in our northern counties, but now that snow is starting to get on top of that, that'll freeze below it. So just conditions very bad to be out this morning and really for the rest of today. So just stay cautious, drive very carefully if you have to be out this afternoon. Yeah, absolutely. David, thank you so much. We will check back in with you here